Got denied for a limit increase? That no is data. Here are the 5 things that matter. A credit limit increase is basically new underwriting, so the bank rechecks risk and total exposure. A denial doesn't mean your card is getting closed. It usually means they won't raise the ceiling right now. Most issuers have exposure limits like, we won't lend more than X across your accounts, even with great scores. The real win is utilization, keeping reported balances low. Timing matters because statements are what get reported. First, know the exact denial reason. Your next move starts with the denial notice because it tells you what the bank saw and didn't like. Read the adverse action letter and verify whether the request was a soft pull or a hard pull, since a hard pull can shave points for a few months. Confirm the income and housing payment they use because wrong data can sink you. Then compute your utilization snapshot on statement day. Count recent credit requests and total available credit since lenders cap exposure. The fastest way to earn a future approval is to make your profile boring. Pay on time. Every time, because one 30-day late mark can hurt for years. Let low utilization report. Many people aim to have a small balance, like under 10%, on statement day. Use the card regularly, but avoid carrying a balance, because interest can erase any benefit and high balances look risky. Update income and housing if they changed, then wait a full statement cycle or 2 before reapplying. If you still want a higher limit, your best odds come from asking in a way that gives the bank new information. Wait for new data to report, like a lower statement balance or updated income, so the underwriter sees a different snapshot. If you asked for a big jump, try a smaller bump, because smaller increases fit exposure models better. Some issuers let you shift credit from one card to another without a new pull. Avoid extra hard pulls, and if you apply elsewhere, don't close cards first. The quickest way to guarantee more denials is acting desperate, because banks track patterns. Stop spamming limit requests. Multiple tries in weeks can flag you. Don't stack new cards right after denial, since each hard inquiry and new account raises risk. If your statements are high, pay early so a smaller balance reports. Avoid maxing one card even if you pay it off, because utilization is measured at reporting. Carrying a balance costs real money, and missing payments is basically fatal for approvals. If your statement balance is high, paying before the statement cuts utilization without spending less. If you want to find cards that fit your spend and show the real dollar impact versus your current setup, CreditCardAgent gives you a personalized match score in about 3 minutes. No login and no credit check. Links in the description.